In this and next three videos, I'm going to explain how to adjust financial statement downloaded from Mergent Online. These four videos will help you do first part of the project. But keep in mind though, it is also an important step in learning financial statement analysis of any project. In the next three videos, I'm going to explain how to adjust balance sheet, how to adjust income statement, and how to adjust cash flow statement. In this video, in this typical video, I am going to explain how to combine as reported and standardized financial statement that we have downloaded from Mergent Online. If you don't know how to download financial statement from Mergent Online, please watch another video that I have posted. So we have Procter & Gamble's as reported and standardized financial statement downloaded from Mergent Online, and I'm going to combine them in an Excel file. In order to do that, first open an Excel file and let's name this or save this file first. So I'm going to save this on my desktop, and the name of this file is going to be PG, which is the ticker symbol for Procter & Gamble underscore financial analysis. Yeah, financial underscore analysis. So I'm going to put these two as reported and standardized financial statement here. So I need two Excel sheets. So I have one. I am going to rename this as a as reported, and I'm going to add one more Excel sheet right here, and I will rename this as standardized. So first let's copy as reported and put it here. So to do this, go and open this as reported financial statement of Procter & Gamble. So on the left corner, if you click on the left corner right here, it selects the entire Excel sheet, and you can copy or simply Control C and go to your Excel file, and again click on the left corner right here and Control V. Now it saves all the as reported financial statement right here. And now let's go and get standardized financial statement, in which case go and open this as reported financial statement of this Procter & Gamble, and I click on this top corner and then Control C and go to your Excel file again and click on the standardized tab, and then click on this corner right here and Control V. Now I have both as reported and standardized financial statement in one Excel file, so I can save this. Now if you notice right here, you have the data, the most current data is at the beginning and prior year data is given here. So what I want to do is I want to reverse the order, not like 2017, 16, 15, but I want to reverse it so that I will have 2011, 12, 13, 14, and so on. So in order to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete these empty columns right here. So click on this C column, right click it, delete it. Similarly, click on D column right here and then delete it, and I'm going to delete all of these. You can also select all of them, like press Control and then select all these empty columns so that I can delete all of them. Now you have the data from 2017, 16, 15, so and so forth. I want to reverse the order, so what I'm going to do is select the column Z and Control X, put next to 2011, and now select column F and then put next to this. So this is what I'm going to do here. So select column E, Control X, and select column K, Control V, and again select column D, Control X, right? Then after column L, Control V, and column C, Control X, and column M, Control V, and column B, Control X, and column N, Control V. So now you have column B to Z empty, so I can select all of them and right click and delete them. Now you have the data starting from 2011, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. This is how I would like to organize the data. So this is as reported financial statement. So let's save it and let's see what is as reported. So in the first part you will see this is a as reported annual statement, right? And then go further down, you will see now as reported income statement here. And if you go further down, right, you have as reported annual retained earning, and if you go further down you have as reported annual cash flow. That means these are the four most commonly used financial statement, and all of them are here for Procter & Gamble. If you go further down, there is nothing. So that's all I want for as reported financial statement. Now let's go to standardized one. So if you click on the standardized tab, again you will see this empty columns in between, and the data is organized from most recent year to prior year. So I want to change the order. So first let's delete the empty columns. So click column C and right click and delete it. Column D, again right click and delete it. Or you can also select all of the empty columns, like press Ctrl, right, and then select column E, column G, column I, column K, and then right click and delete it. Oh, it said something not possible, so I don't know what's wrong here. So I'm gonna select and delete one at a time. So delete one at a time. So delete one at a time, and I think it works. It does. Okay, so now let's reverse the order. So leave that 2011 and now copy column Z, Control X, and then put next to 2011 on column I, and then copy this column F and put in column J. Similarly, copy this column E and put on column K, and copy this column D and then put on the column L, and select this column C, and I'm doing Control X, which means cut, and paste in column M, and then again select column B and Control X, and select column N and Control V. And now again you can delete this column B to Z. Now I have the data from 2011 to 2017, right? So you can save here, and let's see what's here again. So the first one is again annual balance sheet, right? But that is a standardized one. So if you go further down, you have standardized annual income statement. If you go further down, you have standardized annual retained earnings. So if you go further down, you have standardized annual cash flow. And if you go further down, it also has a standardized common size balance sheet, which means all the items on the balance sheet are expressed as a percent of total assets. And similarly, you also have a standardized common size income statement, in which case all the items are expressed as a percent of total revenue. But we don't need this common size financial statement, so I am going to delete them. But in some cases people also use this common size financial statement in doing the financial analysis, so you can also leave them, but I'm going to delete them because we'll have a lot of information and which is not required for our further analysis. So what I'm going to do is select this row 123 and then keep on pressing the mouse and then drag it to the bottom, and then it selects the entire rows, and then you can right click on this and delete it. So now I have both as reported and standardized financial statement in one Excel file. So I'm going to use the same file in the next 3 videos, and even for the second part of the project in doing historical analysis and computing free cash flow. So this is all I want to explain in this video. And don't forget to watch other videos in which I'm going to explain how to make adjustment on this balance sheet, how to make adjustment in income statement, and how to make adjustment in cash flow statement in the next videos. Thank you.